Once sworn to serve and protect the law, John Boom Mantanona faces federal charges for obstruction of justice and conspiracy to distribute meth. For the drug charges, he's accused of conspiring with others to distribute 50 grams or more of meth over a 3-year period beginning in January 2016. As for the obstruction of justice charge, Mantanona was linked to Raymond Martinez and Juanita Moser's drug case. After 2 mistrials in Guam, the case was heard in California, where the couple eventually pleaded guilty. It was during the second trial on Guam, though, that it's alleged that Mantanona attempted to intimidate jurors to vote not guilty. One of those jurors was Gregorio Tyquiengco, who was arrested on Wednesday and indicted on contempt of court charges. Other jurors in the indictment were not identified, but Mantanona, in one instance, is accused of corruptly positioning individuals during the trial within the courtroom to influence and intimidate a juror to vote not guilty. As for another juror, Mantanona allegedly tried to intimidate the individual to sign a false and fraudulent affidavit. Unsealed exhibits in the Martinez and Moser case detail how Mantanona, who was an investigator for the defense, was working on securing the not guilty verdict in the second trial. In a recorded phone conversation with Moser, the transcripts describe how they're like family and how he has to work hard on this. He described how he and his brother William, who was also indicted, were trying to influence Tyquiengco to vote not guilty. Quote, "I met him personally, and it's good to go." After the second mistrial was declared, another exhibit then details a phone conversation during which Martinez thanked Mantanona. Mantanona has pleaded not guilty. He was ordered to be on home detention and not allowed to work. He is also prohibited from leaving Guam and must surrender all his firearms. As for his brother, William Mantanona, he also pleaded not guilty and today was granted release but must report to probation. As for Tyquiengco, he too pleaded not guilty and also ordered to report to probation. All 3 were ordered to stay away from each other. Additionally, the Mantanona brothers were ordered to also stay away from defense attorneys and jurors in the Martinez and Moser drug case. Trial for all 3 has been scheduled for August. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Sabrina Salas, Matanani.